Hey guys, we just got the iPhone 17 Pro. Now this is not the Pro Max, this is the Pro. And we're just gonna do the unboxing. So no matter how many gigs you've bought yourselves, you're gonna have the exact same stuff inside the box itself. Anyways, let's just open this up. So on the back, there are some tabs. By the way, around the box, there isn't that much information except for the back. That's where you guys are gonna see the serial number, plus a few other things. So we're just gonna open this up, and there we go. So once we take those two out, we can actually open up the box. So here it is. That's how it looks like inside the box. All right, so here we go. Let's just take out the phone. I'm gonna set it on the side. Here's the cable, and here is a little note that tells you that no more SIM cards. So there is no more SIM card tray, and there is no more SIM card tool that comes with this, just because we have an eSIM already. So yes, our other iPhones from before had an eSIM, but they also had the option for SIM card. So you had both. Now it's just the eSIM. So if you guys want to transfer your phone number, it's just gonna be a little bit different. It's not gonna be as easy as taking out your SIM card and putting in this one. You're gonna have to go through a really easy process, but it's just a little bit different. So right now, this is significantly heavier than iPhone 17, for example. I wouldn't say it's twice as heavy, but you can actually feel how heavy it is between this one and that one. Now, you do have this protecting the screen right now, and I'll just go through this in a minute. Let's just go through the cable that we get with iPhone 17 Pro. So I'm just gonna take this out. So here is the cable. Now the cable itself, there's not much to it because you guys are not gonna see any Apple branding around it, nothing like that. It is a pretty short cable, but it's long enough. Before they used to give you a brick, an adapter, but now you're gonna have to plug it into your computer or buy an adapter. I think they're around $30, $40, something like that. Now, as for branding wise, I know there's writing right on the edge on this one. So here we go. So I can zoom in on that one so you guys can see. So I know this is really hard to see, but that's the only writing that you're gonna see on the cables themselves. And it's just on that part of the adapter. You're gonna see that writing, and that's how you know if it's an original one or not. Other than that, there's no other way to see if this is original. Obviously, this is original since I bought it directly from apple.com, but if you guys are watching this because you want a replacement cable, well, that's how you guys can notice if it's legit or not. Now, other than the cable, we don't get anything else. That's it. It's just the phone. And the phone is very, very minimal. So I'm gonna take this out, and I'm actually gonna put a screen protector right away because I'm always nervous about getting it scratched. So that's the very first thing I'm gonna do. So, and then I'm gonna show you around the phone itself. But there's no huge changes between this one and the older one. So 16, 17, no huge changes besides obviously this. And then it does feel a little bit thicker. I think it just feels like that. I don't think it is, but it does feel thicker. It seems like it's a little bit more round, like the edges, a little bit more round than what they were before. That could just be me though. Anyways, before I put the screen protector, I want to say that you don't get a screen protector with this. You don't get a SIM card with it. The eSIM's already built into it. The cable is the only thing that you guys get with it. So as an unboxing, it's a very boring unboxing because that's it. It's just the phone plus the cable. There's nothing more. I torn out the box just to see, just in case, because there's a lot of fake videos out there that tell you, oh, there's a secret. If you tore it all up and take a look at the box, there's actually headphones in there or something like that. Those are always fake. That's not true. So right now, I'm just gonna put the screen protector so I can actually take a look at the screen. So the first thing I do when I get a phone is put the screen protector, and that's because it's so clean once you take this out. There's no dust on it or anything, which is perfect. It's exactly what you want. And the way that I like to put screen protectors are the ones that come with this system because it makes it really easy. There are other systems out there which I find that fail 100%. This one I find the most easy one, but again, screen protector does not come with this. I'm just gonna put it on just before I turn it on so that way I don't get any smudges. What you guys want to do when you apply a screen protector, just press it from here, the middle. Sometimes they tell you to press it from other areas, but you will notice bubbles coming up. That's okay. When you press it from the middle, you can just push those out very easily. And then that's it. So I guess this could be a quick tutorial about how to put a screen protector. Actually, at this point, I don't really need this anymore. That's just to align it, makes my life easy. All right, so now that the screen protector's on, I'm just gonna turn it on for the very first time. The button's on the side, and then we're gonna take a look at everything. So all I have to do is just hold it down. Phones usually come with some battery. If they don't at any point, I would even consider returning it, just in case. So you just have to hold on to it, and then you should just turn on. Just to make sure not to press anything else. All right, so right now it's just turning on. We're gonna see the Apple logo, and then I'm gonna show you around it. So button-wise, we have these guys on the side. Ports, well, ports, there's only one port on the phone, and that's this. So again, this would be your main port, and that's because that's where you guys charge it from, or you can plug it into your computer and sync up your phone to your computer. So again, that's the only port on the iPhone. That goes with all the other phones too. So not just this one, the Pro Max, the 17, Air, they just have the one port. Now camera, that's on the back. These are the lenses. So as you can see them right there. So you would definitely need a different case for this phone, for example, if you has had the 16, 15, 14, anything like that, you would need a new case, completely new case for the 17. Now I'm just gonna go all the way around the phone itself. So you guys can see there's nothing more, no more ports, no more buttons, just the ones that you guys see right here on this side, bottom, there's nothing, there's only that port. And then here, there's that. Now you guys can appreciate that the screen goes up to the edge, well, almost the edge. There's a black space there. That's perfect because we need that space because the case that's gonna go on top of it. So bringing it right to the edge would never be a good idea. And if you scroll up right now, it's just to set up. So you're gonna have to choose your language and so on, which we are not gonna do in this video because this is not a setup video. This is just an unboxing. I do have the setup video. So if you guys wanna check this out in action, make sure to watch that video. So again, that particular video will go throughout all the settings, everything. I do have a manual for it too, if you guys have never used an iPhone before. But as far as an unboxing goes, we're pretty much done because there's nothing more to show you about the phone. And inside the box, all we had was the cable. That's it. So as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.